Welcome to the Advanced Real Estate Financial Modeling Bootcamp. If you have a basic understanding of real estate finance and real estate financial modeling, and you want to take your skill set to the next level, this course is going to give you the knowledge and the skill set to break into some of the most elite real estate private equity firms across the globe. My name is Justin Kivel, and I've modeled thousands of real estate investment transactions throughout my career, and I've taught over 10,000 students real estate financial modeling through my online courses. So in this course, we'll cover things like advanced Excel formulas and functions to manipulate data that you get from brokers and sellers more efficiently and effectively. And we'll also work through advanced real estate deal analysis topics. So we'll cover things like how to analyze next buyer returns and how to do a hold sell analysis to understand what the optimal year is to sell your property. We'll also work through advanced revenue modeling topics. So we'll talk about things like how to model a lease up, how to model renovation premiums, and how to model commercial leases when they turn over. We'll also work through advanced cash flow modeling topics like how to model quarterly distributions for investors and how to build a dynamic working capital account that automatically fund cash shortfalls throughout your project. We'll even work through advanced debt, equity, and waterfall modeling and cover topics like cash out refinances, construction loan draws, capitalized interest, and equity waterfalls that are based on multiple different return targets. We'll even end the course with an advanced real estate financial modeling case study exam so you can actually take everything that you've learned in the course and apply it and test your knowledge. So whether you're an existing real estate investment professional working for a larger firm or you're an individual investor buying your own deals, this course is going to teach you everything you need to know to model any real estate deal scenario that comes your way. So if you're ready to take your real estate financial modeling skill set to the next level, I'd love to have you in class. Click the enroll button, and I'll see you on the inside of the course.